How you doing? It's Chris Cassidy with the XP Realty and the Living North of Boston YouTube channel. Before we get into this quick video, I just wanted to ask you to like, comment, and share, as well as favorite, my channel. We're growing the channel a little bit at a time, starting to do more and more content. Very important for growth. I want to get my message out there to people. About both buyer agency and seller agency, living north of Boston, buying and selling north of Boston. That goes for even as far as New Hampshire. I'm licensed in Mass and New Hampshire. Licensed in Mass since 1995 and in New Hampshire since 2018. So let's get to it. I wanted to do a real quick video on interest rates because interest rates have been in the news the last couple of days. They're at the lowest rate they have been in 15 months. And one article I saw, which I actually shared and posted on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Chris Cassidy Real Estate. This article was talking about the difference in a mortgage payment for a $400,000 mortgage. So if you were to get a mortgage for $400,000 today, it's going to cost you almost $400 a month less than the same mortgage would have cost you in April of this year, April of 2024. So in less than 6 months, same mortgage amount, you're actually saving almost $400 a month. I think the actual number was $370 a month. And over the course of the loan, it was about $135,000 you'd be saving on a 30-year mortgage. So that's quite a substantial savings from buying a house now versus even a few months ago. And my belief, and I talk about it a lot in my videos, is that buying a home now is a hedge against inflation. You can wait for the rates to go down, but by the time they do go down significantly, you're going to be paying that much more for the house. I mean, the fact is, even in the last 6 months, prices have gone up probably 4 or 5% in most of the towns north of Boston, in New Hampshire as well. And some of these towns, they've gone up 10% in 6 months. So you're better to buy now, lock in the price now, because otherwise, if you wait a year and the rates go down a point, yeah, you might save $500 or $600 a month, but you're going to be paying $50,000 or $60,000 more for the same house. A $400,000 mortgage is now going to be a $450,000 mortgage, and the reality is you're not going to save any money. Any savings you would realize from the interest rate dropping are going to be offset by the increase in market value of the property. So, again, buying a home now is a hedge against inflation. You lock in today's price. Now, if the rates go down another percent, say in a year, you refinance again, you could save another $400 or $500 a month, depending on how much the rate goes down. So that's the strategy. That's what I would do if I was buying a home north of Boston, New Hampshire, wherever. Buy the home today, hedge against inflation. That's the message. I know I'm repeating it, but I'm going to ram it home because people need to realize. I have people in my database I've been talking to for 5 or 6 years, and they keep telling me the same thing. I've got a friend, he's going to see this and get upset, but I've got a friend who keeps saying, I'm going to buy when the market crashes. He's been telling me that for like 10 years. The market hasn't crashed. I was going to show him a home recently, and it was probably 40% more than it would have been 10 years ago, if not more. So it's not smart thinking. It sounds smart on the surface, but once you analyze it, it's not the way to go. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, now's a great time. Again, reach out to me, message me through the website. All my contact information is here on my YouTube video. And I look forward to hearing from you and possibly helping you find your next home or sell your next home or both. Thank you.